Hello everyone, I'm Anish from Alice Blue. Please watch the entire video and do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get new video updates. In this video, we are going to explore about ADX indicator. What is ADX indicator? How we can use this ADX indicator in our trading system and all. And the ADX means Average Directional Index. It shows the strength of the market, which means it is used to quantify the strength of a trend. So here are some values. The indicator is in between 0 to 100 based on the price fluctuation. This oscillator is also oscillating like this. Based on this, we have to frame our trend and we can identify our trend. So this is our ADX strength indication column. Here you can see the ADX value is in between 0 to 20. It shows there is no trend or the trend is very weakened, and if the value is 20 to 25, it shows that there is the beginning of the trend. From that point only the trend is going to happen, and 20 to 25 it shows that there is very strong trend, and 50 to 75 the very strong trend, and 70 to 100 extremely strong trend is there. 70 to 100 is in a very rare case only. 75 to 100 it will happen. If there is 75 to 100 level, that is very strong trend, as well as trend reversal also it can happen. So these are the values over here. If you go to the setting, means there is two length will be there. One is the ADX smoothing length and the DA length. The ADX smoothing length is 14 and the DA length it shows the directional index length, that is also 14. If you are working in a bigger time frame, means we can reduce the length and smoothing length, and if you are working in a smaller time frame, means it is okay to do our analysis with the ADX platform, right? And now you can see I just want to mark it over here with the bigger time frame to understand the levels, where is the levels and where we can use this level kind of things. I'm just marking a Fibonacci retracement to understand the market, and here in the coordinates I just mark 0 to 100. Okay, so here are the levels are plotted, right? Now I am going with the 15 minutes time frame. I'm randomly taking a date of July 1st. Right, here it is. Here you can see in a 15 minutes time frame, here the market is creating a consolidation, or market is in a range bound, which means the market is creating a range bound market over here. It is the breakout level. Here it is the breakout level. After that it is the retracement level, and you can see here while the market was creating a consolidation, mark with the here the market was creating a consolidation phase. At that time you can see the ADX which was trading below 20 level. The 20 level which shows that there is no strength in the market. The strength of trend is very weak, and after the breakout the trend was shifted to bullishness to bearishness. You can see here after the breakout the trend was shifted to from 10 to 34 rupees. There is some strength in the market. After that you can plan your execution over here, and your stop loss will be, you can take it over here, and your target you can take with the higher level resistance like this resistance, or above the level the resistance will be here. So like that we can plot our resistance. And if you want to take again retracement entry, means again after the execution, if the price reach the 20 to 25, so this is the beginning of the trend. From this level only the trend will get increased. You can see again, if you want you can execute another position with the same stop loss with the same targeters. Again you can see what it happened. So this indicator can be used for an intraday traders to understand the strength of the market. Intraday traders requires the momentum, which means they need a strength to capture a big momentum or a capture move within a few minutes or a few hours. Here also it was working very perfectly. This is the level 20 to 25. After that you can see 20 to 25 level, it was given a breakout and it was gone up to 50. Like that we can use this average directional indicator. Average directional indices, which is used to understand the trend of the strength. Again there are two more settings is there, that it is from the directional indices, so that is positive DA and negative DA. That and all we can discuss in the next coming videos. Hope you all understand about this concept of ADX indicators and its trade system. If you have any doubts about this system, you can share your feedbacks in the comment section. This is Anish signing off. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.